Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs at Tesla. Today we're reviewing Simplisafe Smart Series 2 lock, which is pretty exciting. To give you some background, I've had Simplisafe for over 5 years now. It is my primary go-to home security system. They're very affordable. They have tons of sensors and tons of indoor and outdoor cameras. I am really excited to install the Series 2. And I know with the Series 2, we are going to get a lot more options for automation. So that being said, this is the packaging. In this video, I'll review the design of the Series 2 Smart Door Lock by Simplisafe. We'll go ahead and install this new Series 2 onto my door, and then we'll install it to the Simplisafe security system, and I'll give you my final thoughts about the Series 2 door lock. So pretty excited. Let's get right to it. Latch, the battery is on top, but everything is more square, and everything seems more different design. I'll have a close-up in the video, but essentially this is the knob for using the door lock inside. If you have to manually open and close the latch, the battery is on top, but everything is more square, and everything seems more symmetrical. The previous door lock had more of a round feel to it, but both the door lock are very much easy to install. So let's get right to it. Over here we have the battery. I just peeled that off there for the battery, and I know if you pop the doors actually pop sideways. In the previous generation, the doors would pop going up. So here the doors are popped sideways. It actually uses 4 AA battery, and really cool. These batteries come already installed, which is fantastic. One less thing to install. And then we have the back of the smart door lock. This goes directly to your door on the inside, and there is different knob that you're going to use here to associate your door to the latch. Right, so there is also a sync button right here. This is where you would sync your door lock to your home base, and then the home base will connect or pair the door lock to the home base. Next up, we have a new keypad. So this is actually a keypad where you will enter your designated pin to use to open the door on the outside, and this has adhesive backing, and these are just places here for you to remove the battery. So you also have 2 options here. You can directly screw this into a wall or a wood panel, or you can use the adhesive at the back. Also inside the box, you have all the different screws that you will need included. You have all the different molds that you'll need. These are the molds that will connect directly to your existing door lock deadbolt, and then you have some extra screws here for your existing door lock deadbolt. Right, so I think that's everything here inside the box. Let's go ahead and install this new door lock. We have to remove the old one, so let's go. Time to remove the old door lock and install the new door lock. All right, I was able to get the 2 pieces to open. So now the door smart lock is completely off. This is all that's holding this lock onto this metal bracket, or yeah, I think it's called a bracket. And that's what keeps the smart door lock on this metal plate. Right, so now we actually have this here already, and we are going to change this here. We're going to get rid of this and install the new, which is this yellow one, I believe. We're going to install the new mount or mold onto the existing deadbolt. Right, so we have the door lock installed. I just added it to my keypad, so you can see right there it's saying give it a location. This is actually my back door, so I'm going to add it to my back door, and I just make sure everything line up, everything calibrate. I can manually close it, open it, so I'm just going to go through that process of calibrating it in the app. But there you go. This is a quick 10 minutes install, very quick and easy to install. You can do this any time of the day, and you really don't need any tools. And while I'm here, let me show you, I do have a backup or a redundancy system. So if my Simplisafe ever goes down, I do have the Ring home security. So it's always good to have a back. A little bit over the top, but I always like to play it safe and have a secondary system. All right, so let's go ahead and you open the app, check it out in the app, automatically open and close in the app, and see what it looks like. Right, so Simplisafe app allows you to do facial recognition to log into the app, which I found pretty amazing. Inside the app, you have the list of sensors, and then if you tap into the door lock setting, you will have all the different settings for your door lock. You do have the auto lock setting, which means that if the door lock is open and you step away for a few minutes, it would automatically lock. It connects with the entry sensor. On the home screen of the app, you do have the basic arm, disarm functionality. I do like the arm functionality where you can arm as home and you have the 25 seconds countdown. Mind you, you can change that countdown to less than 25 seconds. And once the system is counting down to arm, you can see the door lock there actually open and close automatically once the system is armed, which I do love that integration. If you have the door lock set as away, your door lock will be locking automatically for that setting. Alright, so there you have it, a beautiful system. Now, not everyone needs a Simplisafe system. I'm sure there's so many other systems out there for door locks. I prefer Simplisafe because it connects with my home security system, and I have cameras everywhere. In fact, I have the new Simplisafe guard camera right here, which is always on and basically provides audible security. So if anyone tries to come in, that camera has someone that's monitoring it, and it would actually alert police right away. So it's very safe. So that's why I prefer Simplisafe. You can get all the other different types of door lock, would probably have more features, but I prefer Simplisafe just because it fits with my home security system and my ecosystem, and it's a all-in-one solution. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, share. If you have any questions about Simplisafe system, you can leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video.